Hi guys, it's Mary here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the channel, I encourage you to check out the rest of the videos I have on my channel, as well as you can hit the subscribe button, and you can follow up on me on my YouTube channel with a new video I will be posting soon. Also, if you are staying home, of course, for the virus around us, stay safe. I wish you all the best. I trust that God is keeping us all safe. Today I will share with you some of the things that you can keep your kids busy, like this small monster, and also this cute little I don't know what kind of animal is it, but it's really cute. It's a girl. She has a flower in her head, and it's very easy to make. I left the pattern in the description below, so feel free to download, share it with your family and friends, and make some for your neighbors, make some for your kids. If you have somebody who have kids or you think to do this to keep their kids busy, feel free to download the pattern and get ahead and sew it. So we have a lot of things to do. So before I forget, the pattern I put in the description, it has ears. This one has googly eyes. These eyes are ping pong balls. It's just I stuck them with a glue gun, and these guys are just a normal googly eyes that you can stick them with a glue gun, as well as the nose. It's a pom-pom. And this flower I have in my scrapbooking materials, so feel free to be creative. This one without an ear, the one in the description is with ears as well. So we have so much to do, so let's get started.